Hello my happy littles, welcome back. It's time to meet our next word magnet. That's letter A. A says E. And hey, there comes letter G, and G makes the sound G. G. So they are joining to make the next magnet. Ag. 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 Let's see who comes and says hello to ag. And there comes letter B. B makes the sound B. B. Let's say the sounds together. B. Ag. B. Ag. B. Ag. Faster. Bag. Bag. Yes, that's a bag. A big bag for your toys. Bag. By B, and here comes letter T, and T makes the sound T. 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 Ag. T. Ag. Tag. Let's say it fast. Tag. Tag. That's your name tag on the back. Tag. Who's in next? That's letter W. And W makes the sound W. 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 Ag. W. Ag. Wag. Let's say it faster. Wag. Wag. Correct. A little happy puppy's tail wags. It goes wag, wag, wag. Oh, that's letter R coming to make the last word. R says R. 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 Ag. R. Ag. Rag. Faster. Rag. Correct. Let's clean the table with that colorful rag. Rag. Are you ready for the sentence challenge? Let's go. First one. The bag has a tag. The bag has a tag. Now let's read it quickly. The bag has a tag. Good job. Next one. See the dog wag its tail. See the dog wag its tail. Speed reading. See the dog wag its tail. Well done. Excellent. The last one. A cat sat on a rag. A cat sat on a rag. Speed reading. A cat sat on a rag. Superb! You're reading so well. Recap time. Let's say the words together. B-ag, bag. T-ag, tag. W-ag, wag. R-ag, rag. Well done. Our little puppy friend is so happy. He's giving a big wag just for you. You are a reading superstar. Remember, you can do it. Goodbye.